No equipment? No worries. All you need for these sessions is a water bottle and a jumper. Place the water bottle on the floor, grab your ball and start working on those ball mastery techniques. Shuffle the ball around the water bottle using the insides of your feet. Challenge yourself by facing forwards the whole time without knocking over the water bottle. Use toe taps to see how close you can keep to the water bottle without knocking it over. Again, challenge yourself by trying to face forward the whole time. See if you can move around the bottle without knocking it over, facing forwards. We think cones are overrated. A jacket or a jumper will do just fine. Make it into a ball, place it on the ground and start working. Make sure to jump off both feet, nice high knees and cushion your landing. Get to the ball as quick as you can and carry on with your ball mastery techniques. This time, Louis is drawing a cross by jumping forwards, sideways and backwards over the jumper. This helps develop stability and explosiveness in our players. Make sure to use a jacket or a jumper and not a water bottle, as we don't want injuries from landing on water bottles. This technique is called the roll stop. Roll with one foot using the bottom of the foot and stop with the inside of the opposite foot. Then go back the other way. Tom is using a pull push, dragging the ball with the bottom of his foot and pushing with the laces. Keep the ball as close to you as you can. Swap feet each time. We want to see you all practicing, so tag us and upload your videos.